Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm playing Roblox, and I'm on record. I don't want to search for my own player. Separate Unikit in players. Let's see. Where is she? Anna the pretty Unikitty. She says, "Welcome to Roblox, the imaginary platform. Make friends, explore, and play games." Did that? Like the guy said, "This isn't my mommy." Is this a marathon?
He messed up.
Okay, guys. Hey, guys. We are back to recording. Woo, woo, recording again. And today we're going to use, let's see, there's Starfire. Robin's already been taken. Oh, Raven's been taken. Taken by someone. Let's see, I'm picking,
Who's that thing?
Starfire. I love Starfire. Oh, this is so cute, guys! That's Starfire. Oh my gosh, she's got assets. Oh my gosh. She's so cute! Hers have hearts all over. This gives me a cute. I think only with this recording thing, I can only record it up to 15 minutes. I'm back on record. And now,
To that one.
can we join 0 players? I need 6 Robux. That's not enough.
Play that one.
I will come in handy. So I'm gonna check out my.
Here it comes.
Here comes what?
Everybody in.
He said.
Everybody in.
Look at my inventory. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I've got a lot. Oh, I only got 2 pages. Welcome, Castaway Tribal Immunity. Oh, here comes Travis Working Immunity.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, yeah, maybe.
No high school. You play Where's the Baby? Second Chance or Tribal Regular Redemption. Early out for Spoot. Remuted. 10,000 visit badge. 500 visit badge. Welcome to Row High School. You came. Cookie Swirly fan. Ooh, robbed? What are they waving hello at? Grandma. Here goes. Hoo-ha, hee-ha, hoo. Bye, guys.